Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Instagram crashing on Android or how to fix Instagram keeps crashing on Android phone. So here follow the steps. First of all, tap and hold Instagram app and then click on app info. Then click on force stop and confirm it. Then click on storage usage. Click on clear cache and confirm it. Then click on clear data and confirm it. Now go back. Now you can launch Instagram app and check crashing issue is fixed or not. If not, then tap and hold Instagram app icon and then click on uninstall option and confirm it. Now open Chrome browser. Here search for Instagram older version up to down and tap on older version of Instagram up to down website. Scroll down. Search for APK file, click on see more. You can see APK file on May 10, so click on this May 10. Scroll down. Now tap on download option to download it. And once this Instagram APK file get downloaded, tap on it. Then tap on install option. And once it is installed, tap on open and log in to your account, and then you can check if the crashing issue has been fixed or not. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.